Laptops are often referred to as notebooks, but HP's Spectre Folio is perhaps the first laptop that could pass for one in the most classic sense of the word. The Folio has three modes: laptop, media mode, and tablet mode. It moves smoothly between the three thanks to a series of hidden magnets and hinges. The focus is firmly on the design of the laptop, but don't think that means it's all style and no substance. Inside is HP's smallest ever motherboard, capitalizing on Intel's 8th Gen Core i5 and Core i7 processors. This is complemented by up to 16 GB of memory and up to 2 TB of SSD storage. Inside is a battery that promises to keep the Folio alive for up to 18 hours, allowing you to move between modes, tasks, and locations easily throughout the course of the day. Connectivity is a key element of the Folio, with support for gigabit-class LTE and dual eSIM. There's an optional nano SIM slot under the display and an optional embedded digital eSIM to easily and quickly connect to cell networks. The Folio also comes with HP's stylus, the Tilt Pen, which attaches to the device with an optional leather loop. With the stylus you can mark up the Folio's 13-inch display to your heart's content. There are various versions of the Folio, which will be available at different times, so pay attention carefully to release dates to make sure you get the variation that's right for you. Firstly, it will come in two colors, a brown cognac, and a burgundy bordeaux, with the latter of the two coming later this year. A 4K version will also be available in December 2018. At first glance, when it's completely closed, it reminds us of a typical Folio, the same kind that you'll find business professionals carrying around. Upon opening it, however, its convertible laptop design becomes more apparent. Unlike other detachable convertibles, the HP Spectre Folio employs a rather intriguing hinge design that integrates the screen and keyboard together. Articulating the screen can make it go from a traditional laptop to a tablet, and even another position for multimedia viewing. Some of its highlights include the following: Intel registered core trademark i7-8500Y, 1.5 GHz base frequency, up to 4.2 GHz with Intel registered turbo boost technology, 4 MB cache, 2 cores. Intel registered UHD Graphics 615. 13.3 diagonal FHD IPS micro edge WLED-backlit touchscreen with Corning registered Gorilla registered Glass 4 trademark, 1920x1080. 8 GB LPDDR3-1866 SDRAM, onboard. 256 GB PCIe registered NVMe trademark M.2 SSD. Intel registered 802.11b/g/n/AC, 2x2, Wi-Fi registered and Bluetooth registered 4.2 combo, Intel registered XMM trademark 7560 LTE-Advanced Pro. 6 cell, 54.28 WHD ion. 2 Thunderbolt trademark 3. 1 USB 3.1 Type-C trademark Gen 1. 1 USB 3.1 Gen, HP Sleep and Charge. 1 headphone/microphone combo. HP Wide Vision FHD IR camera with integrated dual array digital microphone. Bang & Olufsen, quad speakers. Full-size island-style backlit keyboard. From a design standpoint, the HP Spectre Folio is no doubt impressive, especially how everything is fitted into an incredible svelte body. Sure, the genuine leather differentiates it from the majority of convertibles out there, but we're eager to know how it'll handle in the long run. And due to its extreme thinness, HP had help from Intel to create its custom-made motherboard, one that takes up little space as possible, while packing in a large battery. Pre-orders are now available starting at $1,300 for the base model with an Intel Core i5 processor, while the one leveraging the Intel Core i7 with LTE will start at $1,500.